Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can redeem a code in your Roblox account. So you have a Roblox account that you use to play Roblox, and now you have received a promo code that you want to redeem but you can't figure out how you can do it. You are looking for all the steps, you are looking how you can do it, you're looking for the places where you can enter the codes but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to redeem the promo code in Roblox account in very easy way. Follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So you'll have to use a browser in order to do that. So the first thing you have to do in order to redeem a promo code in your Roblox account is open a browser and go to roblox.com/promo code. Once you do that, here what you need to do is first log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account or else it won't work. So go ahead and tap on the login option on the top right corner, then enter your username, then go ahead and enter yes. And once you do that, you land on the login interface for your Roblox. So go ahead and enter your account credentials. The first thing you need to do is enter your username, email address or phone number. Then you'll have to enter the password to that account. So go ahead and do that. Once you enter your credentials, simply tap on the login button. Once you do that, you'll again land back into the redeem promo code option. Once you do that, you'll again be taken to the same page where you landed after you went to roblox.com/promo codes. Then here what you need to do is simply enter the promo code or the code that you have received, then simply tap on the redeem button. Once you do that, a pop-up will open saying you successfully redeemed the promo code or the code that you have entered. So after that, you have successfully redeemed the promo code or the code that you wanted to redeem. So those were the simple steps in order to redeem a code in your Roblox account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.